welcome back to Mr. Rogers' Kitchen. I hope you've all had a great week so far. Thank you all so much for liking, subscribing, commenting on our prior post. I really appreciate it. It helps me continue doing what I do, so I am going to keep on keeping on. So, for the next couple of episodes, we all know that summer's coming up. People are starting to gather again, and parties are coming up. And there are times when you get invited to the potluck or the barbecue and you don't know what to make. So over the next couple of episodes, I'm going to show you some real simple, easy, quick, couple of minute things that you can do that will impress everybody. Everybody will love it, and they don't have to know how easy it was for you to do. So the first thing is I'm going to make hot sauce. Well, my family calls it hot sauce. Some people call it salsa. My mother calls it chile. So whatever you call it, it's tomatoes with some onion, some jalapeno, a little bit of lime juice if you like. Again, this is one of those recipes that it's going to be to your taste. You can scale it up, scale it down. I normally have a big batch because I'm going to a party with it. Today I had a couple of extra vegetables, so I made a smaller batch today. So I've roasted my vegetables, and I'm going to show you what those look like and what I'm doing. So today I've got 6 of these Roma tomatoes. You can see that they're charred nicely. I did use my Ninja Foodie Grill XL. My cooking friend, Miss Brazel, she uses one, and I saw it, absolutely fell in love, and it has become the greatest tool in my kitchen. So I highly recommend it. You won't regret it. It does grilling, roasting, air crisping, baking, broiling, dehydrating. It does a little bit of everything. So if you're looking for something to replace all of your other tools, or you don't want to turn on the oven, or if you're like my sister Alma and you're allergic to the kitchen, you'll absolutely love that because it makes cooking a breeze. This normally takes forever to grill these things, but did it all in 10 minutes today. So I can't stress enough how amazing this machine is. And so, like I said, I've got 6 Roma tomatoes. Normally I use 9 for my big batch, but today I'm going to use 6. And normally I have 4 to 6 jalapeños. And I normally deseed all of them but 1, maybe 2. That's going to depend on how hot you want it. Taking the seeds out is what takes the heat away. And so, like, here's my whole one. This one's still got the seeds in it, so that's what's going to provide the heat for this batch. And then here are my jalapeños that are charred that do not have any seeds in them. And I'm not a medical professional, but as you may or may not can see, if you wear contacts, take them out before you deseed your jalapeños. You'll thank me later. I took mine out before I deseeded the jalapeños, but I made the mistake of, even after washing my hands a couple of times with Dawn, a couple of other hand soaps, made the mistake of rubbing my eye, and it was rough. Like I said, as I'm sure you can see, they're probably still red. I've also got a whole white onion. You can see those nice grill marks on it from the Foodie, the Ninja Foodie. We're just going to cut that into quarters, and this is going to be the base for your hot sauce. Now, I also roasted a lime. Some people like lime in their hot sauce, some don't. I feel it just gives it a little bit of extra kick. I want to see how the flavor of this is going to turn out. And these are going to be your basic ingredients. That is the consistency that you'll get. Again, it's going to depend on how many tomatoes versus jalapenos versus onions that you use. And before you start adding any kind of spice or other flavors, just give it a taste, see what it's like. Is it too hot? If it is too spicy, add some more tomatoes. Now, to me, that's perfect. That's got a little kick to it. I'm going to add some amount of garlic salt. So I'm going to add some granulated onion. It's just some onion powder. You're gonna add a little bit more than what you think is necessary, just because again, it's typically a big batch and you wanna make sure you've got enough. I'm gonna put some salt in there, not too much. And then, like I said, I'm gonna put a little bit of lime juice in there. When you roast these limes, you don't even have to cut them in half. You're just gonna break the skin and pick it up with those tongs and just squirt it right in there. Again, it's gonna be to your taste. And then we're just gonna blend it one more time, blend it all together, and that's it. So if you need something, like I said, quick and easy for a potluck or a barbecue, that will always be a fan favorite. All right, we're gonna taste it one more time. That is perfection. You'll love it. Like I said, garlic salt, onion powder, garlic powder, whatever you've got, you can use and you can make it your own. I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you do try it out. Let me know how it tastes and what you put in yours to make it taste like that. I hope you all have a great rest of your week, and watch out for the next episodes for some more good summer party items. Thanks, and have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.